In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, who is the Master of Death and also the Master of Life. Dear viewers, who are you? I hope you will be safe and sound. May God bless you with great success in your lives. My whole prayers are with you for our lives. Especially my tahajjud prayers with you for our life. Okay? I hope you will recite the Holy Quran daily. I hope you will say your 5 times prayer in a masjid. I hope you will read the Durud Pak upon Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I hope you will like, share and subscribe my all videos. I hope that you will pray for the people of the Palestine, you will pray for the people of the Gaza, you will pray for the people of the Bakuda Kashmir, because they are in trouble now. Their kids are in trouble now. They have no food to eat. They have no dresses to wear. They have no medicine to take. So I hope you will do that after your tahajjud prayers. Thanks. Today my topic is general rank in Pakistan Army. General ranks in Pakistan Army. Pakistan Army. Number 1, Brigadier. Number 2, Major General. Number 3, Lieutenant General. Number 4, General. So I want to explain you that number 1, Brigadier, number 2, Major General, number 3, Lieutenant General, number 4, General. Brigadier is called 1-star General. 1-star General. Major General is called 2-star General. Lieutenant General is called 3-star General. And General is called 4-star General. Four-star General. So Brigadier is called 1-star General, Major General is called 2-star General, and Lieutenant General is called 3-star General, and General is called 4-star General. So these ranks are general ranks. If you are a Brigadier in Pakistan Army, so you will be called 1-star General. If you are a Major General in Pakistan Army, you will be called 2-star General. If you are a Lieutenant General in Pakistan Army, you will call 3-star General. If you are a full General in Pakistan Army, you will call 4-star General. So these are general ranks. These are very important ranks. If you want to be officer in Pakistan Army, Pakistan Navy, Pakistan Air Force, if you want to be a officer in Civil Armed Forces, Airport Security Force, Pakistan Coast Guards, Punjab Rangers, Sindh Rangers, FC, Frontier Constabulary in Balochistan. If you want to be a CSS officer, Central Superior Services of Pakistan, that's a very high level post in Pakistan. If you want to be an officer of Issb, Inter-Services Selection Board, for commissioned officer, you will pass Inter-Services Selection Board exams. That's very tough exam in Pakistan Army, Pakistan Navy, Pakistan Air Force. If you want to be officer, PCS officer, Provincial Civil Services, that depends upon every province. Okay, so please work hard. If you are the student of 9th class, 10th class, FSC, BSc, MSc, MPhil, PhD, please make your mind in life that I want to do something for my parents, I want to do something for my brothers, I want to do something for my sisters, I want to do something for my families. So please work hard. Don't waste your time. If you will work hard, so God will help you. Please go before God. That name is Allah Pak. Because Allah Pak is the greatest God in all over the world. He has much power to do that. And please love Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And please respect your parents. Regard your parents. And please respect and regard your teachers. Please respect and regard your all relatives. Please respect and regard your all neighbors. All the nation of Pakistan. In the final, I want to request you, please pray for the Palestine, Bakuda, Kashmir and Gaza, because they are our brothers and sisters. They need our prayers every time. So our prayers will give them freedom. Inshallah, 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 by the grace of God. Thanks.